Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Dota 2 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and once you are taken into the store page, click on the search box and type in Dota 2 to begin your search. Once you find the Dota 2 game, you can click on it and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Play Game button or the Play Now option. You can also see the Add to Library button, which you can click on if you don't already have the game added to your library. Now you will need to choose your installation directory. Click on your chosen install location and click on the install button. And now this will begin the download and installation of the Dota 2 game. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you can find the game within your library, and a shortcut will also be created to your desktop. And now you can start enjoying the Dota 2 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Dota 2 game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.